Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Meta glasses to Instagram. First, open the Meta AI app on your phone. Make sure your Meta glasses are already paired with the app before starting this process. Once the app opens, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a glasses icon there. Tap on that icon to open the glasses section. After entering the glasses section, now look at your Meta glasses settings page. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see a gear icon. Tap on the gear icon to open the device settings. Inside the device settings, scroll down until you find the communication tab. Once you see it, tap on it to continue. In this section, you will find different social media and communication platforms that can be connected to your Meta glasses. Now look for Instagram in the list. Next to Instagram, you will see a Connect button. Tap on Connect. After that, follow the instructions shown on your screen. You may be asked to log into your Instagram account and allow permissions for the connection. Once the setup is complete, your Meta glasses will be connected to Instagram and ready to use with supported features. Thanks for watching.